Hey, what's up guys? Today we're unboxing the Evil Dolch base kit from Kono Store. Let's take a look over here at the product page. While we're looking at this product page, be sure to hit that like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the future content coming your way. Apparently they went way up in the price here on extras and charged $219.99. I paid $149.99. I purchased this during the pre-order period. I did not purchase it during the group buy. I do not know what the group buy price is. If somebody does, please let me know down in the comments below. There was the base set, there was your European add-on kit, there was a novelties kit, there was the spacebar set, and then there's two desk mats which are still available. It's a standard GMK set. It's going to be the quality that we're used to, hopefully, should be anyways. So simply evil. Evil doesn't need to be complicated. Unfriendly neighborhood supervillains might disagree, but the cleanest and easiest plans tend to have great results. So this was designed by S3LQ, and I think it's going to be a nice little set. I've been waiting a while for this. This is actually one of the first GMK sets I purchased when I joined the hobby, and I'm just now finally getting it. I've had it sitting here for a couple weeks. I've been dying to get into it. So let's go ahead and check this thing out. Oh, come on, get in there. So, of course, it is GMK trays, and wow, that's disappointing already. Get the camera to focus. So, a lot of people have been getting busted trays. Apparently, now I am also one of them. And I mean, it is busted up on both sides. That's on Kono. They should have been shipping this in a box. This is pretty disappointing, but let's get in here and see what it looks like. I'm definitely going to be sending an email when I'm done recording this video. Alright, let's get into here. I really want to see this set. I've been looking forward to this set for a while. That dark, like almost maroon, blood red, black, gray, white theme. I'm a big fan of black and red in general, so I think it's going to be a nice set that I will really enjoy the colorway of. Do kind of regret not purchasing the novelties. They were available for pre-order when I first placed my order. Oh my gosh, we're getting crap everywhere from this thing falling apart here. I wish I'd purchased the novelties. They were available when I first pre-ordered, and of course everything in here is just a wash. This is kind of disappointing, but from what I hear, most people don't have good things to say about Kono Store. So honestly, this is not super surprising. While the keycaps are pretty good, there's actually, I'm not noticing that like greasy sheen that have been on some of the GMK sets lately. This is so disappointing. Like, I keep my boxes. I keep my keycaps in my boxes. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? This is gonna like shed all over everything. Oh man. Well, a keycap set that I was really looking forward to just kind of feels like it was, I don't want to say ruined, but it definitely takes away from the experience when it's like this. I'm pretty disappointed. I'm definitely going to be sending an email. Other than that, I mean, the keycaps look great. They're pretty close to the colors. There's a little bit of that like oily greasiness that you've been seeing on GMK stuff lately. I don't know what's up with that. I really hope they can figure out a way to stop that from happening, but sorry, these are like so out of whack the time it would take me to get them ready. Let me give you a close-up look at these. So these are mostly icon modifiers, with the exception of like your bottom row, your control alt, and of course your page ups, page downs. As you can see, nice crisp legends, the usual what you would expect for GMK. A little bit of that greasy sheen that's been happening lately, but nothing that's totally out of the ordinary for GMK here. I think the colors are looking really good. I can't wait to find something cool to put this on. I have a bunch of really nice builds planned here soon, so hopefully we'll have something fun to put this on in the next coming weeks. Not a whole lot more to say about this. Sorry if my excitement kind of waned once I opened it. Like I said, I was looking really forward to this, but when I pull it out and see this, and now I've got this like potato chip paper dust stuff everywhere. It just kind of killed my mood. And I'm sorry if that came across in the video and I'm not as excited as usual. I do like these keycaps. These are ones I was looking forward to, but the whole boxing situation here has just been a letdown. And yeah, I hate that, you know. I hate that I don't have my usual happiness and joy, but you know, I just kind of got let down there, guys. Sorry about that. Hopefully you can still get some quality from this, or excuse me, get some what's the word I'm looking for? Hopefully you can still get something out of this video, and it will help you, you know what to think about this set aside from this box. I'm assuming most everyone that ordered it from Kono store probably got it this way. And the worst part about it is the rest of the world had this set months ago, and we're just now finally getting it that ordered it from Kono store. Honestly, I'll probably won't be ordering much from them again in the future because, like I said, they're super slow fulfillment rates, and the fact that they obviously didn't put much care into packaging when they shipped these. Other than that, great keycap set. If you're looking for this keycap set, and you know, if you're one of those people that likes purchasing things on the aftermarket and you think this is a set you would like, I wouldn't say don't buy it, but I would say don't buy it for $400. Yeah, good set all in all. Typical GMK quality. Just a tiny bit of that like oiliness that I've mentioned before that I definitely noticed it in my set from Drop. Come across this. There's a little bit of like what looks like an oily like sheen to it. I don't know what's going on with that. Hopefully GMK will figure that out and stop doing that. But you know, all in all, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope to see you for another video, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Thanks for joining me. Bye.